Welcome to your SaunaBox Pulse Setup Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through everything, from setup and safety to your first session. Let's begin. Before use, please review the entire manual, review safety instructions, inspect the surface and inside of the sauna for wear and tear, the heating panels and cord for fraying, and do not use if either is present. Do not put essential oils or liquid on the heating panels as it can cause damage or electric shock. The SaunaBox Pulse should only be used indoors, where it is protected from outdoor elements such as rain, moisture, and wind. The SaunaBox is not waterproof. Leaving it outdoors for long periods can cause cosmetic or functional damage. Please remove all components from the packaging and lay all pieces out on the floor. Let's begin with the frame assembly. Step 1. Connect the bottom frame on a flat surface using the labeled A and F pieces. Step 2. Connect the vertical base layer poles labeled D. Step 3. Connect the middle frame layer labeled B. Step 4. Connect the top layer poles labeled E. Step 5. Connect the top frame layer using C and G. Now assemble the cover over the frame. Unzip the cover entirely and lay it on the floor. Place the base of the frame into the bottom of the cover so that all corners fit snug. The floor will be exposed as the Velcro floor lining will be added after. After the frame's base is in the cover, pull the cover over the top of the frame. Secure the cover around the top corners and zip it around the frame. Then, stand inside and attach the Velcro floor to match the Velcro lining along the base. Now let's insert the heating panels. Make sure all cables are disconnected from each other and not plugged into the wall. Remove all plastic wrapping from the panels. Unzip the sauna cover and insert 6 panels into mesh pockets on the sauna walls. Insert the panel with the black side facing outward and the cable output on the bottom. Repeat this step for all 6 heating panels. Once complete, all panels should be secured in the mesh pockets with cable connectors sticking out of each bottom. All panels are identical and interchangeable. Lay the 6 inlet cable on the sauna floor to align with the panels. Plug each outlet into its corresponding panel. Pull the center cable through the back lower zipper of the tent. This cable connects to the external cable box. Connect each panel to the circuit by inserting the male plug into the female plug on the cable. Twist until it locks securely in place. Next, mount the temperature sensor using the provided strap to the middle back pole of the sauna frame. Ensure the unit is still unplugged. Connect the cable box to the cord pulled through the rear zipper. Fasten the plug securely and then plug the cable box into a 120-volt wall outlet. Place the sweat lock floor mat inside the sauna. Then place your stool in the middle, ensuring it's at least 6 inches from all walls. Let's go over how to use your remote. Use the temp buttons to adjust the temperature. Set your session length with the time buttons. Switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Use the on-off button to power the device. Pairing your remote. Turn your remote on. If the screen displays E1, press the on-off button 6 times quickly. You'll hear a click from the controller box, and the error will disappear once paired. Before turning the device on, ensure the entire system is set up correctly according to setup instructions with all infrared panels connected appropriately via the provided safe lock cables. Optional red light therapy guide. First, unbox the components and lay them out. Step 1. Attach the connector wires to each red light tube. Screw to lock them into place securely, as shown in Figure 1. Step 2. Take the remote controller, shown here in Figure 2, and connect it to the lighting system. Step 3. Connect the power converter to the appropriate plug adapter, seen here in Figure 3. Now, let's assemble the lights into your sauna. Use the provided clips to attach the LED tubes to the 2 front poles of the sauna, as pictured here. Make sure the red lights face inward toward your body and are positioned at mid-body height for maximum coverage. Feed the wires from the light tubes out through the grommet hole in the back of your sauna tent. And now, let's go over how to use the remote. Use the top button to power the red lights on or off. Adjust the brightness using levels 1 through 5 to your comfort. Use the timer function to set your preferred session length. Now you're ready to enjoy the benefits of red light therapy. Each session should last between 15 to 30 minutes and can be done before, during, or after your sauna session. A few safety reminders. Review all safety information provided in the manual included with your box before use. Always unplug the lights after use. Avoid direct eye contact with the LEDs. Always wear protective eyewear when using the red lights. And never operate the lights near water or while wet. The controller is not waterproof. Read all safety warnings. To begin, start at lower temperatures and slowly increase according to your comfort level. Max temperatures should only be used if sweating cannot be achieved on lower levels. Do not exceed 60 minutes inside the sauna. The controller is not waterproof. Leave it in the pocket below the window when in use. After use, turn off the device using the remote and allow it to cool down. Keep the unit unplugged at all times when not in use and before cleaning. Once the sauna is plugged into a standard home outlet, use the remote to select your settings. Allow 15 to 20 minutes for the sauna to preheat before entering. Make sure you've read all safety instructions. If you have any further questions, please contact support@saunabox.com.